Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix USB debugging grayed out in developer options on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let us start. So if I open my settings app and if I open the developer options and if I scroll down to debugging this section, and in this section you can see here we have USB debugging this option, so it's grayed out. So to fix it, just go back to the main screen of your settings app and then find the security and privacy and then tap on it to open it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now opened, and after that just scroll down to additional security settings, this section, and in this section just come to auto blocker. Okay, so you have to turn it off. So to turn it off, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it and then provide your pin pattern or password. So let me do that, and you can see it's now turned off. And now if I go back and open the developer options and if I scroll down to debugging this section, okay, you can see here we have USB debugging and it's not grayed out, so it's now fixed. And now you can turn on it, okay, or turn off it as per your choice. So I want to turn on it. Let me do that. Okay, you can see it's now turned on. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.